Hey there everybody, so today this is going to be a very exciting video. Today we'll be unboxing my fourth Rode mic. I'm a big fan of Rode products, and this product is very popular with vlogger and unboxing people, so it's very popular. So this is going to be an upgrade to upgrade the Canon microphone. So the audio tech is going to go to the GoPro, my Hero 5. So yeah, so it's a good thing. This is like it's under $200, so pretty good microphone. Probably a microphone that people will mostly recommend. So after the intro. So yeah, this is my fourth Rode mic, so this is going to be interesting to use this Rode mic. I tell you what, I have used Rode mic in my high school class, so but did I use Rode mic? I don't recall using Rode mic. Unless Rode mic make a shotgun. So slide out. We lift the tray up. Yeah, pretty nice microphone, I tell you what. Shock storable, so keep your shake. So should be able. Let's see what battery do we need. Oh, I can't tell what battery. Oh, you changed the setting in the microphone. That's pretty interesting. There's some dip switch in there. Huh, okay. A 9-volt battery. Oh, okay, so I do need a 9-volt. My audio tech and the microphone I've owned in the past use a single battery. That's quite interesting. You ready to let go? Oh, it taped. Okay. Well, 9-volt battery. I think I don't have any 9-volt battery for a microphone, so I guess I have to pick up a 9-volt battery. So a little bit of instruction manual just in case this is the first time using a microphone. So pretty much that's pretty it. So not much accessory last time with the microphone. Oh, there we go. So if you don't need this, you can put it on. I love how that slide on. I tell you what. So yeah, look like this is going to be a pretty good microphone. I tell you what. So yeah, this slide. Now on my audio tech and shotgun microphone, it's to slide on that Techna microphone, shotgun microphone on that. What the heck I'm trying to say? To slide the foamy thing on and off. I like how this Rode foam slide on and off. You don't have to be you don't have to push in a certain way. You don't have, it's not picky. You just slide it on with no time. With my Audio-Technica microphone, the foam is pain in the butt to get on that. Heck, my sister will have a hard time putting that on. So, but anyway, not too much stuff with this Rode microphone. So, I guess that's a great thing about this Rode microphone. You don't have to worry about a lot of accessories, so you don't have to lose it. You just get the microphone mainly. So, this is probably be a pretty good microphone too, I tell you what. So the quality looked just fine to me. So yes, it's plastic, but it's not outrageous. This is a pretty this microphone. You can easily afford. You know, it's in the $100 range. So, you know, not too awfully expensive. I think this is the cheapest microphone, or in the pretty good mid-range, you know. It's not too outrageous, it's not too cheap, so. But other than that, I can't test out because I don't have a 9-volt battery. Yeah, so I thought I could. So I'm pretty sure the battery life on this microphone is probably pretty good. So, but anyway, I was gonna end the video, but I keep babbling on. So I guess I was trying to find more reasons. So I can't run it. So I don't have any idea just yet. So yeah, an off and on switch and an 80 Hz switch. So. Yeah, so nothing too complicated. So anyway, I keep babbling on. But anyway, you know, if you did enjoy the channel, if you found my channel or if you find my video interesting, please all check out the video gallery below the video. So, two different ways to access the video gallery. So if you don't know how to access video gallery on YouTube, there's two different ways. So the simplest way is below the video is a link directly to my video gallery. So soon if you click on that video link, or if you not video link, but if you click that link, it will take you directly to my video gallery, so you can check out different type of videos, so from vlog to unboxing to mailbag sometime. So then another way too is by clicking on my username. So if you click on my username, it will take me, or not take me, but it will take you to my YouTube homepage. Then you can check out the favorite and stuff I put together on my YouTube channel, so you can see if I have any playlists or not. But once you done checking that out, click on the video tab. So once you click on the video tab, you should be taken, or you should be taken to. You should be land on my video gallery. So two different ways. You know, you can go to my YouTube homepage, or you can click the link below to go to my video gallery. So if you did check out the video gallery, if some of these videos did interest you, don't be afraid to subscribe or follow me on Google+, which were you before. But if you did subscribe, if you want to be up to date with this YouTube channel, please make sure you hit the bell icon, because if you don't hit the bell icon, sometimes YouTube will not notify you of any new video I've uploaded. So chances are, if you didn't hit the bell icon, you would not be notified. So and what the heck else? Oh yeah. So give video a like or dislike. And check out the video notes. Make sure you click on show me more. If you don't click on show me more, you will mostly miss out on a lot of links. So channel email address, so you can contact me if you want to. Then Amazon wish list. So if you did support the Amazon wish list, you will definitely get a shout out of your choice, whatever shout out or whatever preferred way of shout out that you like. So you can contact me, or you can, if you got some off of my Amazon wish list, you should have an option send out with a note. So but you would definitely get a shout out of your choice if you did support the Amazon wish list. So various projects, sometimes my personal projects, so whatever works out, so or whatever you feel like. Okay, I'd always be thankful for a person that support the Amazon wish list. So then community detective forums, so you're welcome to say hi to me on the community detective forums. Then what the heck else? Yeah, okay, that's the end of the video now. But you know, if you have any nice comments, post them below the video, okay? So I will catch you next time. So I will see you next time with more exciting project. Okay? See you later.